To a very important topic this morning, and we're joined by Danielle Staple, the Executive Director with the Rape Crisis Center, 45 years here in Southern Nevada, and the number of clients increasing during the summer months, also looking for volunteers to help meet the demand. Good morning, Danielle.
Absolutely.
Thanks so much for being here this morning.
Thank you so much for having us.
So tell me about how volunteers are critical to help with the Rape Crisis Center.
Absolutely. Well, with a 24-hour hotline and people reaching out at all times of the day and night, we couldn't do our work without our volunteers. They are absolutely integral to everything that we do, helping on our hotline, meeting clients at the hospital, helping out in our office to cover times that staff may be on vacation, helping out at outreach events. You know, there's more and more community events, health fairs, different things that we're invited to. And the more we're able to get the word out about what we do to folks, we see the demand continuing to increase. So getting that word out is really important.
Now, you said the numbers of rapes and calls had actually gone down. The calls had gone down, but now recently they're back up, and you attribute that to the Me Too, hashtag Me Too. Tell me about that.
Absolutely. So, you know, every time our media partners cover issues around sexual violence, we hear it on social media, and obviously with Me Too, it was and has been kind of since then everywhere. It's, you know, on the front cover of every newspaper, on, you know, many news stories. And the positive side of that is it helps encourage people and realize that they're not alone. And so we're seeing more and more people reaching out for help. Many of them after, you know, maybe the abuse happened when they were children and now they're adults and they're reaching out for the first time in 20 or 30 years. And so we're getting a lot of inquiries about our counseling center, our support groups, partners, friends, siblings, you know, reaching out on behalf of people they know who have been affected. So it's just coming from all avenues.
And not only women, but men, you say, too.
Absolutely.
This is not just women.
Yeah, especially when it comes to children. Boys are almost as likely to be abused as girls. So, and again, it takes men on average 30 years after childhood abuse to come forward and seek assistance. We actually just started a men's support group. So
the need for volunteers is great. Tell me about the training and what you expect really from people who are interested in volunteering for the Rape Crisis Center.
Sure. So our volunteers do need to be 21 and able to pass a background check and drug screen. Other than that, we do accept volunteers of all gender backgrounds, and we utilize all genders equivalently and in the same ways. And they do need to be willing to go through our 50-hour training. We realize that's a big ask and kind of a tall order on the front end, but
it's important.
It is, and it actually gives them a really well-rounded view of the community at large and all the different agencies and systems that we interact with our clients. So they learn about the court system, about the police, about our DNA lab. So we're bringing in a lot of different community partners to help them understand the full-scale picture of what they'll be dealing with.
A very emotional and sensitive topic as well that they're dealing with. How can people get in touch with you if they're interested in signing up for training and volunteering?
Absolutely. So the application is always available on our website. It's rcclv.org, and there's a How You Can Help tab. Just go there to our volunteer application. People can fill that out at any time, and then we'll always reach out for before the next training, and we do interviews and things like that. But our next training starts just after Memorial Day, so if it's something anybody out there is interested in, this is a great time to go ahead and submit that application.
All right, terrific. Thank you so much. Nice speaking with you, Danielle.
Thank you so much for having us. We appreciate it.
You betcha.